Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, your examinations are being conducted by JK Bose from 15th of November onwards, for which the board has already issued a notification. And that sheet for class 10th and 11th, 12th is yet to come. Better is to put extra efforts, do extra hard work so that we can crack the coming examinations with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, no doubt you are hit badly by this pandemic because schools remain shut for the quite longer duration of time. Even today, nowadays, schools are shut. This partial mode of physical teaching is on. You are connected to us or you are connected to us through this digital platform, and this digital platform is never substitution for the actual classroom teaching. Some students who are not in possession of these Android phones were badly hit. So, in order to compensate this loss, you must put extra efforts and do extra hard work to crack the coming examinations with ease. Dear students, self-study and hard work can enhance your capabilities and your abilities, and your career would be flourishing and promising. Dear students, physical mode of teaching is the real mode of teaching. This digital platform can't be substituted for the actual mode of teaching, but something is better than nothing. Dear students of class 12th subject political science. Today we are dealing with one more important topic in your political science, that is UN General Assembly. Dear students, finally in 1945 when World War II came to an end, it brought destruction to the world. It was felt by various leaders to have an organization, a solid organization that will bring peace and prosperity in the world and will check the further wars in the world. And finally, on 24th of October 1945, the United Nations organization came into being. Its main aim was to bring peace and prosperity in the world and settle disputes by peaceful means. So, UN General Assembly is one of the sixth organs of UN, United Nations organization, but very important and main organ. This assembly serves as the world parliament. In a parliament, all issues are discussed. So, all the world issues relating to peace and prosperity, relating to economic stability and political stability are discussed in UN General Assembly. It annually meets from September till January, uh, when all issues of the world are discussed there at its headquarters located in New York. Dear students, this assembly has the function and the main role that is given in the part 4th of the UN Charter. First of all, it elects UN General President or UN General Secretary, and its annual session takes place under the presidency of UN General President, UN General Assembly President, or UN General Secretary. It also appoints the UN General Secretary and the President. It also elects the non-permanent members of the Security Council. Their students, so it is a main policy making or main decision making body in the entire United Nations organization. Remember, it meets annually from September 10 till January, where all issues are discussed thoroughly. In respect of any economic stability, any political stability, all the sovereign nations of the world are its members. Present membership of the UN General Assembly is 193. So every country, sovereign country of the world is its member, and every country has a vote there to when elections for UN General Secretary and President is held. So remember, it serves as the World Parliament where all the issues that the world is facing are discussed, whether these are environment issues, these are economic issues, mainly the issues that are related to peace and prosperity. Dear students, its first session was convened on 10th September 1946 in Methodist Centre Hall in London by its founding members that were 51 initially. So, dear students, it it elects the non-permanent members of the Security Council, President of the UN General Assembly, and UN General Secretary. This it is annual session takes place from September until January under the UN General Secretary or the President. So it is the main decision making body in the entire world. It serves like the world parliament. If there is suspension or expulsion of any member, it requires two-third majority of the present members. And some issues, that means some issues that are relating to peace, prosperity, expulsion of members, suspension of members, these require two-third majority of the present members in the UN General Assembly. Whether all or some simple issues are settled through the simple majority. It receives the reports from the other parts of United Nations organizations and settles them through resolutions. For dear students, thus the UN General Assembly is one of the important organ of United Nations which serves like the World Parliament. It discusses the world issues, mainly the issues that are relating to peace and prosperity and health issues, poverty issue, and the environment issues or the terrorism issues. Dear students, so you have to keep in mind that it serves like a world parliament, and it is main issues that are budgetary issues, that are the expulsion of the members or the membership given to any country, that requires two-third majority of the present members in the UN Assembly, and some issues which are of not very great importance are settled by simple majority. So it is the main organ of the United Nations organization. It elects the non-permanent members for Security Council for the period of 2 years. It discusses the various issues are that the world is facing at the moment. So it has an important role in entire the world or in the entire the setup of the United Nations organization. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any query or confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me. Better is to see these things on your available political science reference books so that you can grasp the concept well. Do put extra efforts in these days, do concentrate on self-studies, and I hope you will crack the coming exams with nice percentage of marks. Remain psychologically motivated because it's human brain, it can do everything. Thanks. Be balanced.